AJH Synth here again. We've just done, if you haven't already seen, we've done some of your new modules, and you've got some updates as well, right?
Yeah, two modules. Almost a new module in its own right is the next phase phaser, which it took a lot of thinking about to come up with a name for it, but we seemed obvious, so there you go. This is an update of our mega phaser. Few changes to it. The main ones are that we now have two inputs, each with their own level controls, and we have a phase color control on there as well. The stage switches, we've changed the stage switches. They're more visible from this kind of view position.
Right, okay.
So just an ergonomic change there. Internally, we still have all of the sounds of the small stone phaser, which this was based on. Still 12 stage. We have all of the switching configurations that we had on the earlier mega phaser unit. But we've used much lower noise VCAs internally. We've used lower noise op amps in there as well, 4-layer PCB, and the outcome of that is that we've managed to bring the noise floor down considerably on it. So that it's
so you can switch a phaser in without hearing it going.
Yes, yeah, exactly, and that's one of the reasons. Yeah, one of the reasons we have the two inputs on it is that you can actually feed white noise or pink noise into one of the inputs and put the noise back that I've managed to design out of it. So, so there you go. That's the next phase phaser, and then the other module that we've got is the part of the MiniMod range, and this is the new glide noise module, the Mark II version. The original glide noise module, the biggest criticism that we had was that it was too deep for a skiff style case, and that prevented a MiniMod system being fitted into a shallow Euro rack case. So we've addressed that. As you can see, we have something that's very much shallower, and that fits very comfortably into a skiff case. And now all of the AJH Synth modules are fully skiff friendly.
Okay.
So that was the biggest change. Also, in terms of the electronics of it, this was based almost exactly on the Model D circuitry, which is great for a 3 3/4 octave keyboard. The range is limited to 5 octaves, positive voltages only. But because Eurorack, potentially we can use much bigger ranges than that. With the new one, the range on this, it now covers 14 octaves.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, and it'll handle negative voltages as happily as positive too. So you can glide down to ridiculous sub-bass levels with your VCO and one of these. So there's the changes. The last thing we've done with it is that we've added, in terms of functionality, it'll transmit or receive to the power bus, the Eurorack power bus, so that if you have it configured in, say, a Waldorf KB37 like this, it saves. We can take the pitch from the pitch out on your MIDI to CV controller to CV in. You don't need to connect anything to CV out.
Right,
that's routed to the bus. So the 1 volt per octave of all 3 VCOs.
So using the Dope for bus.
So we've got we've got rid of 4 patch cables and a multi. Yeah.
Nice.
So that's it.
And these when are these out?
6 to 8 weeks. Same price as the outgoing Mark I glide noise module. Yeah.
Thank you very much.